Hey everyone, this is David Banks with FabACab talking with you today about client design sessions and how to put them to use. So, in the past, we've talked about what client design sessions are, but as a quick recap, essentially it's a meeting between the FabACab rep and an end use owner that you, as the elevator rep, have coordinated. And in those design sessions, we talk with the owners about everything, in terms of panel configuration, lighting options, material selections, what the needs of their buildings are, if they have vandalism concerns, if there's upcoming lobby renovations. And then we use that design session to kind of package up a final product for them that you can then, quote and install. So today we really want to talk about how to use design sessions. And there's really three main areas that we see them put to use. So the first is when one of your customers has shown some interest in doing an interior project. So a lot of times that looks like either A, maybe they have a defined budget, but they're not exactly sure what they want in terms of look or style, or B, the inverse of that. They have an idea of what they want in terms of look or style, but they don't know how to make it come together from a technical standpoint and maybe need help with the budgeting piece and some of those more complex pieces of it. So either of those are fine, and design sessions are a great thing to implement when you have a customer that's in either of those situations. A second way that we see them put to use a lot is maybe you've received a specification or an RFP where there's an architect or a designer involved. They've got a good idea of what they want in there, but now it's time to put it to work in terms of coming up with something that's technically feasible, code compliant, and ultimately a product that you as an elevator contractor can get installed inside the elevator. And then third, way that we see them put to use a lot is with larger organizations for planning purposes. So things like universities, hospitals, maybe property managers or building owners that have multiple properties, where we come up with a core group of designs, whether it be 2 or 3, that kind of meet the needs of the overall organization. And then they can use those designs throughout their campus or their properties, knowing that it's going to have a consistent look and feel and still meet the needs of the building. So those are kind of the 3 ways that we see them best put to use. And then how do you get these things off the ground? It's really quite easy. All you need to do is, kind of start with a pre-start call with your FabACab rep. That could be an email or a phone call, even a text message exchange, but kind of sharing what you know about the project with your FabACab rep. If you know the budget, the timeline, maybe what the customer wants or desires, anything you can give us kind of on that pre-start side. And then after that, set us up with a meeting or an opportunity to meet with your customer, and then let us go to work with them on designing the project. So whatever it takes, we're willing to come along with you, kind of serve as the technical expert, eliminate a lot of the back and forth questions that we see, and kind of cut out the middleman so we can expedite the process for you and your customer. So reach out to your FabACab rep with any questions on design sessions, and I hope you get one scheduled this week. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.